Hey Patrick or Shane, Simon here from Little Big Marketing. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video that I spoke to Patrick about this morning. I'm going to show you a way to rank your website. I'm going to show you where you're currently ranking, and I'm also going to point out what that looks like in terms of extra client traffic coming through to your website and what that could also lead to in extra client opportunities. So one thing I will ask is if you could please just leave me some feedback at the end of the video back to my email. Even if you're not interested, that would be much appreciated. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a look at the back end of your website, and I use this tool called Ahrefs to do so. And what I'm picking up is that you're currently either a fairly new site. Let me just have a look at the bottom here. It might have a date on it. Yeah, 2020. So it's a fairly new site, and it hasn't begun to even rank in Google whatsoever. So it needs to be flagged to be indexed by Google, what's called indexing by Google. But that's okay. So right now, essentially, you're not ranking on Google at all. Okay, now to start off ranking, number one thing you need to look at is content. Number two is backlinks, and number three is citations. These are the three steps that will help you rank your website. And when I'm talking about content, what I'm referring to is words and images on your site. You have a really nice looking site, really nice images, but it definitely needs more content and a few more images as well. Google likes to see at least 1,500 or 2,000 words on a home page. Basically lets Google know that what you are and where you are, and also that there's enough relevant information there for potential clients. And it also lets you get in what's called keywords or any search phrases that someone might enter looking into Google looking for your specific service, along with San Diego on the end or on the front. To pick it up, something like cleaning company San Diego or house cleaning San Diego, something like that. So I'll show you what I mean. I've just typed in here house cleaning San Diego, and I've chosen Merry Maids and Tidy as your top two competitors. The rest is all like Care, Angie's List, or Yelp. So to show you these guys and have a look at their content. Now this is tidy.com, and it's their only their San Diego page specifically. And you can see they've got very little content. So if you wanted to go and add content to your page, you'd already beat these guys on step one. Merry Maids, same thing. This is just their San Diego page. So, yeah, there you go. If you added some more content, they've got very, very, very little content. It amazes me how many web designers build websites without content and basically make Google guess for what you're trying to rank for. If you've got there that you are a cleaning company, San Diego, a bunch of times, Google knows you're a cleaning company, San Diego, and it takes the guesswork out of it for Google. So really important to have that content. Okay, number two after content was backlinks. Now, backlinks are basically anywhere your website is referred to by another via a clickable link. And what they do is transfer power or authority or trust in Google's eyes, whatever you want to call it. And the more trust or authority you have, each link gives a little bit. The more you have, the higher you will rank on Google for more of those search phrases or keywords, and you'll start to pick up this organic traffic, which is traffic that's not paid for or unadvertised traffic on the organic search results section on Google. So you haven't got any backlinks yet, and they come from referring domains, and that's important because a referring domain or a referring website has to be highly rated also or relevant to your industry, and that creates a better quality backlink because they're not all created equal. Something to note. Okay, so that's backlinks. Now, if I come across to Tidy and have a look at them, what these guys are actually doing, they've only got very few, four coming from one referring domain is not very many, but they're using the rest of their overall site, which is their domain rating here, to rank this page. So if you were to go and get some more quality domains and backlinks, you would start to beat these guys quite soon. And you can see here they're ranking for 61 different keywords, and that's bringing them in 376 clicks on a rolling average every month. So it's super important to get your website to page one, as you can see. Now, with Merry Maids, you can see here, I've got this filtered on the wrong thing. This is their entire site. So if you wanted to go this big, 148,000 clicks per month, you could. However, just San Diego alone, their web page, that's more like it. 100 backlinks to 14 referring domains, allowing them to rank for 107 keywords specifically on this page, bringing them 671 clicks to San Diego alone. Now, if you were only able to close 10% of that, that's going to be another 60 clients per month. So I think it's pretty important to have a look at and to take this pretty seriously. So that's backlinks. Now, number three I mentioned was citations. Citations are just anywhere your business name, number, and address is registered on any directory like Yelp or HomeAdvisor or Angie's List. And as long as you've got more than these guys here, and you've got a competitive amount of reviews, and your Google My Business account is filled out fully and correctly, you'll start to rank in this top three. It's really important to get into the top three here because no one ever clicks on View All, and this map pack is getting utilized more and more and more for people looking for local services, i.e. cleaning in San Diego. So if you can make it to the top spot here, that's going to add about 30% extra clicks on your organic search results clicks down here. So if you looked at Mary Maids again, 671, and you added 30%, it's more than 180 clicks. So super important to get into that top spot there, or at least into the top three. But we always aim for the top. So they're the main things I wanted to show you. Just the where you're ranking, how to rank, and what it looks like when you do rank. Once again, I'll ask you just to provide some feedback, even if you're not interested. Just drop it in the email. Now, if you could, if you do want to look at having this done professionally, please feel free to give me a call. Once again, my name is Simon. Give me a call on 760-405-8094, or just reply to the email and we can chat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye bye.